everybody and welcome back to my channel. It is Ashley here again. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I'm doing really good. It's getting kind of late outside and I have to work tonight, but I decided to sit down for a little bit and film for you guys an unboxing. If you guys are new here, I'm so happy to have you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and don't forget to hit that little bell notification so you get notified every time that I upload a video. So with all of that being said, let's get into this unbagging. Today I have my Ipsy bag. If you guys don't know, Ipsy is $10 a month. It comes every month. You always get this cute little bag and then some sample size inside your bag. And it always comes usually in a pink bubble mailer. And I did slice the entire top off because someone went a little bit crazy with the tape and like taped the entire top of the bag. So I just cut the entire top off. I have not seen what is in here. So let's just get in here and see what we got. So the first thing I do know about this, I went onto the site. You can accumulate points, and then once you get so many points, you can pick out an item to be included into your bag. You get points for getting the bag each month. You get points for reviewing the items that you get in your bag. So I had enough points, so I got this Briogeo Roescro milk. Completely said that wrong. It is a restorative leave-in conditioning spray. My hair lately, I'm having a little bit of a battle with it. I dyed it myself, and I usually don't, but it was like 4 weeks ago, I think. I dyed it myself, and it was a complete fail, like complete fail. And now my hair is fried. So tomorrow I'm going to go get it cut, and I'm going to get it recolored and hopefully look better than what it does now. And then I'm going to be doing a like a video series on my hair journey. I got some vitamins coming that I'm going to review for you guys. They're not sponsored or anything, but I just want to do like a little video series on my hair journey since this is a crazy mess. But anyways, I got this little leave-in conditioner to see if it would help my hair out any. And here's a little packaging. Again, it's by Briogeo. So that was the extra thing in my bag. Now we would get into the actual bag. And here's the bag this month. It is orange with yellow around the outside of it. And the zipper has these little tassel things on it. And it's actually a really nice feeling bag. It feels like sturdy, and it feels kind of like jean material. So I really do like this bag. So getting into the bag, we'll pull out the card. And it says confidence level selfie with no filter. And here is the little card that came with it. And there's a train going by my house as I'm filming. But anyways, the first thing I'm pulling out is the Professional Pearl Primer. It is a soft radiance face primer to minimize the look of pores. So we have gotten things from Professional before, but I've never gotten the Pearl Primer. So here's a little packaging, has a cute little lady on the side. You open it up and the product is in here. Just comes in this itty bitty little squeezy tube. And let's see what it looks like. Alright, so it is just this pink primer. And it feels really soft. It kind of feels like their other one that we've gotten from Professional. Wow, that one really did blur out like my veins in my hand. So I would definitely be giving this a try. All my other ones are gone. So I'll be using this primer. So that is the first thing. The next thing I'm pulling out is by Tony Moly. This is the Black Tea London Classic Serum. The anti-aging skincare contains high-quality black tea recognized by England's royal family. That's really cool. So here is the little packaging for this serum. It feels pretty full actually. And that's a big size usually for Ipsy. So that is good. Okay, it is just a clear serum, if you guys can see it running down my hand. Feels good on the skin. It feels very hydrating. You guys can see it glisten in my light. But it feels very hydrating, so I think a lot, or a little would go a long ways because I can rub it all the way down my arm. So there's that. It smells really good too. I really like Tony Moly products, so I would definitely be giving this guy a go. Alright, so the next thing that I'm pulling out is this little, what is this, lipstick? Lip gloss, lipstick. By Macy and Mia. This is in the shade Ava. And here's the little packaging for it. So we'll give this a swatch. Ooh, I really do like it. It is a pink color, not like a bright pink, but it is a pink neutral color, which I really like. So I'll definitely be giving this a go. And the next thing comes in some bubble wrap, which y'all know I love bubble wrap. So pull this out. This is by Hikari. It is a cream pigment in the shade Latte. And this is an eyeshadow. If I can get the little box open, there we go. And it is a brown shimmer eyeshadow here. Give it a swatch. Here it is on my finger. It's very shiny. I love shiny eyeshadows, so this is right up my alley. And we'll just put it right here. It is very, very, very pigmented. Very shiny. It's got really no streakiness to it. So I really do like that eyeshadow. So I'll definitely be giving this a try. And is this the last thing? Yes. The last thing that we have in our Ipsy bag is, has this little sticker, and it says Pixie by Petra. I don't know what this is, but we'll find out. It comes in some bubble wrap. Bubble wrap's so hard to pop anymore. It's like Ashley resistant. Okay, anyways, this is Pixie Beauty Blush Duo in Peach Honey. And here's the packaging for that. And we'll open this up. If I can get the little seal. Alright. So here is the blush duo. It's very pretty. The pink, it's not real pink. It's very light. You can hardly see it on my finger. And then if you rub them together, it makes this really pretty shade. It kind of almost looks like a highlighter, but it is a blush. So, and I love blush. Sometimes I go a little crazy with a blush. But I will definitely be using this. And I think that is all that we have. Yes, that is all that we have in our little Ipsy bag. So overall, I am pretty excited about the products. Some things I haven't tried, some things I have before in the past. But overall, I'm, excited about it. Ipsy and I, we, have a love-hate relationship. But I do love getting the cute bag every month. So if you guys get Ipsy, please let me know if you guys like it. Do you think it's worth the $10 a month? And what did you guys get this month? So that is all that I have for you guys today. If you guys, sorry, my phone just interrupted me. But if you guys like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!